Hey guys, this is the tech take, and our PS5 has finally arrived. As you can see, it's still in the box, so we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna use my trusty cutter. This only came about 2 hours ago, so this is exciting. Oh, see right there, PS5 logo and the console. Oh, that's nice. So, looking at the box, you've obviously got the product shot on the front, logo, some more product shots on the side, some more images, some, I'm guessing, some kind of claims about what it can do, and you've got another logo on the side. So let's open it up. There's a little plastic tab. There's a handle. You just take the handle, pull it up. Nice. Packaging is actually quite similar to the PS4. You know, a box inside the box. Okay. There's a small box here. Let's see what's in here. Okay. So you've got the power lead. Ooh. This way you have the DualSense, and that actually feels really nice. And the claims about the grip actually being the PlayStation icons is true. That's actually really cool. Yep, so USB-C, that's a given nowadays. Triggers. You have a dedicated mute button for the mic right under there, under the PlayStation logo. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, controller. You've got a charging cable for your DualSense. Yeah, so you got DualSense in this compartment. You got kettle lead in the middle here. Papers on top of this bit. So I'll just move it to the side. And inside this is you get a HDMI cable. Now this should be HDMI 2.1 cable, so that's capable of 4K 120Hz. And what we've got in here is the actual stand for the PS4. Not PS4, sorry, PS5. I think I plan to use it vertical. That's my plan. I'm not sure you need a stand for that, but I think the product shots do show them using a stand, so we'll see how that goes. And let's look at the actual console. Turn it on its side and pull it out. Yep, nothing else in this box now. This is quite hefty. Now we get to the actual main event. Let's unwrap it. It's like Christmas. Oh, there's a lot wrapping. And there we have it. The PS5. This is the front shot that you see in all the product images. This is the side shot, which actually, looking at my monitor, actually looks very square from the side. So they still kept a boxy look if you really wanted one, but obviously the designer of the PS5 would prefer it if you had it facing that way, which you get that V shape indicating the 5, because this is 5th generation. On the front, you've got a USB-A port, which I believe is, they recommend it for charging rather than using it for external storage drives. This is a USB-C, which I believe is 10 gigabits per second. You have an eject button down here, which obviously you won't get on the all digital version. And that is a power button right bottom there. And obviously you've got this drive there, which you won't get on the digital version. Now moving to the back, we've got two USB-A's, Ethernet cable, HDMI cable, not cable, HDMI port, and you get the power in. So yeah, it's a PS5. It's not as big as people say, I think. It's not that massive. It's kind of like a small PC tower, really. One of those like mini ITX small form factor PCs. Looking at it now, I think the design is quite nice. The curved side panel, it gives you a different look depending on which side you're looking at. So just compare it to the PS4, which I've got just right there. So this is my launch PS4, which I got at launch after converting from Xbox, and I've been very happy with PlayStation ever since. And for comparison, that's the size difference between the launch PS4 and the new PS5. And you know, width wise or depth wise, going this way, PS4 is actually longer, but PS5 is obviously a bit taller, and I won't call it that much thicker. So that's centered. Yeah, so as you can see, the PS5 isn't that much thicker than the PS4. Really, it's just, if you take away these plates, it's potentially the same. Yeah, can't wait to get this set up. Just gonna put the PS4 back. So we're just gonna see how this stand works as well. I've not looked at the video. How hard can it be, right? I'm guessing it's this down drive, this drive down. Probably clip it on like that, and that's actually really easy. If you got that, but pretty much you have these little hooks on the back. Just make sure the hooks go onto the bottom panel are latched on, and that's it. The rest is on just like that. So yeah, PS5 is out now. Not for everyone. There are a few countries which are getting it a bit later, but here in the UK, I've luckily managed to get mine on launch day. We do plan to do a few videos using the PS5. So far, video 1 is if you're still rocking a 1080p TV, if it's still worth upgrading to a PS5, because I'm still using a 1080p TV, which I've been using for over 7 years now, and I just haven't upgraded. So I might as well make a video on it and see if going from a PS4 to a PS5, you do actually get better graphics or better frame rates and all that good stuff. The other video we plan to do is also compare the audio solution from the PS4 to the PS5. The PS5, I believe in their Road to PS5 video, they've quite heavily kind of marketed the Tempest audio, the 3D audio solution in the PS5, but ever since then made very little reference to it. We're going to look at that. We're going to see if it makes a huge amount of difference to the experience, and if you know, the actual headphones make a difference. You know, difference between using earphones to using normal kind of music headphones to using gaming headsets. So we're going to look at that. In fact, I do have there we go. These are the Pulse 3D headphones. We got these last week. For some reason, these were releasing a week early, but the consoles weren't. don't know how that works, but so we've got these headphones. We're going to really see if these gaming headsets have any kind of advantage compared to some normal music listening headphones. That's probably it for today's video. Just to sum up, PS5, it's here. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like if you like the video, comment down below if you've got any thoughts. Maybe you can tell us if you've got your PS5 or you're still waiting, or maybe you've got an Xbox Series console instead, or maybe converted from Xbox or converted to PS5. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this one, and obviously the videos I've just mentioned that we're planning to make. This has been the Tech Take, and we'll see you next time.